Hi, I'm Roger Woodruff with Guarantee here in beautiful Junction City, Oregon on a beautiful winter day. Today we're looking at a 2015 34T Fleetwood Bounder. This is on the 362 horse chassis by Ford with the V10 with a 5-speed transmission. It's got excellent storage on the outside. In our first cabinet here, we've got our propane tank and our 2,000 watt inverter wired into the electrical system for the coach. It's going to power all of your entertainment package and quite a bit of the outlets. In the next cavity, we've got a whole house water filter. So all the water coming into this coach is going to be filtered. Then we've got our storage pods. In our first slide out, we've got our TV for your outside entertainment center underneath the electric awning. This coach is on the 22.5-inch tires, so it's like the bus size tires, the big ones. A lot more storage through here. It's got the automatic transfer switch, so when you do plug the coach in or you start the generator, you don't have to go out and move things around and get the electrical into the coach. We've got our tow hitch in the back. This one here is rated for 5,000 pounds, so you can tow a 5,000 pound vehicle with this unit. More of our storage. This has the Onan 5.5K generator. Very reliable, #1 generator in America. Here's our plumbing station. This is a 50 amp coach. It has a Santa flush system. That's going to allow you to wash out the black tank and get rid of, anything that's still left in the coach after you dump. This is our living room slide, our main slide. The really nice thing about this one is this is all one big storage area. And if we look at the very end here, you can see this little door that opens up, which is really nice. So if you want to put something in there really long, you can open this up and put something in that runs the full length of this slide. Let's go on around the other side. The Bounder is the #1 selling coach in America for years. Fleetwood did a great job with these. It's got the frameless dual pane windows. So it's got the upgraded insulation package. In our cockpit area, we've got a very nice setup. We've got automatic hydraulic leveling and manual hydraulic leveling. Our front visor, they got rid of the curtain. They put in a drop-down electric shade. Looks a lot like these. Okay. We've got our front entertainment package with the surround sound and built-in DVD player. Over the door, we've got our battery switches. You can turn off both the house and the chassis batteries and protect the batteries from getting drained down. Here's where we control our inverter and all of our tanks and sensors and such. Love the kitchen in here. We've got the big convection microwave and the oven, 3-burner stove with a lot of counter space. Love this. You can put all your spices and stuff up here. Some of the racks for the convection microwave. There's even a little Lazy Susan in here. I like that. It's kind of short, so I can't reach all the way in the back. So if I can get it closer to me, better. Love the Booth dinette. That's a nice looking, comfortable Booth dinette with storage built right into it on both sides. Here we've got our living room TV, because, well, you got to have a front TV and a living room TV because sometimes there's more than one game on. Back here in the back, we've got our what we call a split bathroom, shower and sink on one side, nice glass doors. On the other, we've got our private potty. For our bedroom, we have a nice sliding pocket door with a hard latch, so it's not going to come opening up while you're driving down the road. This is a queen size bed. A little bit of storage overhead, reading lights over the bed. We've got our 4th TV, yes, 4. 1 outside, 2 in the living room, 1 in the bedroom. This is kind of a nice little feature. So this is a hanging rack if you don't want to use it as storage, or shelf storage I should say. A little more storage up here. This is set up to expand for satellite or another DVD. We've got all of the books and manuals that come with the coach, all the remotes, the original bedspread, plus a spare, and even more storage. Or a bunk bed, depending on how you want to use it. And that's a quick tour of the 2015 34T Bounder here in Junction City. I'm Roger with Guarantee. Thank you.